1 minute, a coin is pumping and people are celebrating profits. The next minute, the price crashes straight to zero. There's no warning and no recovery. That's called a rug pull, and today I'm going to explain exactly what it is in the simplest way possible. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. If you've heard the term rug pull but never fully understood it, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'll explain what a rug pull is, how it happens, and walk through a simple real-world example without jargon or hype. So first, what is a rug pull? A rug pull happens when the creators of a crypto project suddenly take the money and disappear. Investors are left holding tokens that are now worthless. It's called a rug pull because it's like having the rug pulled out from under you with no warning. Now let's talk about the most common way rug pulls happen. A new coin launches and starts getting hyped up on social media. People rush in because they don't want to miss out. As more buyers jump in, the price shoots up. Then, once the price is high enough, the creators sell their coins or remove liquidity. The price collapses, and the creators walk away with the money while everyone else is stuck. Here's a simple example. Imagine a coin launches with almost no value, and the creators secretly own a huge portion of the supply. As new buyers come in, the price rises. Then the creators quietly sell their holdings. All that selling pressure crushes the price. There's no crime scene, no refund, and no rescue. It's not magic, it's just math. One of the sneakiest versions of this is called a liquidity rug pull. Liquidity is the money that allows people to buy and sell a coin. Some creators are able to remove that liquidity entirely. When they do, no one can sell, the price collapses instantly, and trading freezes. This is one of the fastest ways investors lose everything. Rug pulls often target beginners, and there's a reason for that. Beginners chase excitement, trust hype, and don't always check things like ownership or liquidity. Scammers know this, which is why rug pulls spread so fast on platforms like TikTok, Twitter, and Discord. Speed beats caution, and that's the trap. There are also warning signs anyone can spot. Be cautious if the creators are anonymous, if a few wallets own most of the supply, if there's no real product, or if comments and questions are being deleted. Pressure to buy now is another major red flag. You don't need all of these signs, just one is enough to walk away. So why do rug pulls keep happening? There's very little regulation, launching new coins is cheap and easy, and hype spreads faster than logic. Rug pulls don't trick smart people, they trick uninformed people. Now that you understand how they work, you're much harder to fool. Have you ever seen a rug pull happen in real time? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video, where we break down exit scams and how founders disappear with millions.